Okay, so let's go with an easy sum and sum function tutorial. So first of all, an easy sum is very easy. You type in an equal sign and your two numbers you want to add up and put a plus in between. And 3 plus 4, Excel is calculating it, is 7. The second sum function, or the first sum function now, is if you type in the equal sign, then sum, in German Summe, you open the brackets and you select all the numbers you want to sum up, and then close the brackets and press enter. Then you have the sum, in this case the total salary we have earned. If you want to add a salary of 80 euro, the program is doing it on its own and is doing the extension. Second sum function, or actually the same but in a different way used, is if you press the equal sign, type in sum in English, Summe in German, and you open the brackets and type in the spaces you want to sum up, for example D6, and press comma. Then I want to sum up D9 and last D14. Close the brackets, press enter, and now we know what we have earned in those 3 days. If I press in the upper space here, we can see the colors of the 3 variables more or less and see where they are selected. Yeah, that's it from the tutorial. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye.